Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Ina, a CPA offering practical, user-friendly financial spreadsheets that simplify complexities of accounting and finance, empowering your business to grow with confidence. Today I'm going to show you how to use my month-end close checklist, which is a simple yet powerful tool to help accountants, bookkeepers and business owners stay on track with all month-end tasks. At the top, you will see a dashboard with total number of tasks, how many are completed, in progress, stuck or not started, a pie chart for instant visualization, and the progress breakdown by person assigned. Each task is organized by step and category, like banking and cash, accounts receivable, accounts payable, inventory, payroll, and so on. You can see who the task is assigned to, due dates, status, percentage complete, and even whether it's overdue. The status column uses drop-down menus so you can quickly mark a task as completed, in progress or stuck. The progress bar updates automatically based on the percentage complete, giving you a real-time visual. One of my favorite features is the current progress section. It shows each person's completion rate and how many overdue tasks they have. This is great for team accountability and for managers to quickly spot bottlenecks. The overdue column is automatically color-coded, so missed deadlines stand out right away. To get started, simply replace the sample tasks with your own checklist items, update due dates, and assign tasks to your team members. The formulas and conditional formatting will handle the rest. No complex setup, just update, track, and close your month smoothly. If you want to grab this month-end close checklist and start organizing your accounting processes, the link is in description. It works perfectly in Google Sheets. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss more productivity tools for your business.